Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I have got a brand new laser cutter that just arrived. It's time to see what's in the box. So let's get cracking. All right, so this one is buttoned up, and believe it or not, all I've got is a corded drill at school. So let's go. All right, so let's see what's in the box. Alrighty, so that is the 55-watt Orion laser cutter, and it looks like I'm going to need a friend to actually get it out of here. Alright friends, so after getting a look at the box, this thing is not coming out this way. We are going to have to take off one of the sides, so let's go find a pry bar and get at it. Alright, I do not have a pry bar here at school, but let's see if we can do it with a screwdriver. Let's see if that's enough to open it up. Yes, it is. How is that for sound effects? Alrighty friends, so as you can see, it is on little legs. So I need to figure out where I'm going to put it in the classroom before I take it off this sweet little handcart. Alrighty friends, so you know I've got it. Now I'm going to post this video. If you've got any tips or things you think I should know before I get it totally assembled and all put in place, feel free to share them in the comments below. Of course, I'm looking forward to creating awesome tutorials for how to use this, just like I've been using my Glowforge. Friends, if you found the video useful or entertaining, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.